vanhu veNash aiwa vanhu vangu uyai kuno imimi vanhu vangu mirai kuno inosvika paint don't worry mabudisa makamera enyu here Team Nash matenderedza here vana vacheche tokumbira musauye padhuze vana vacheche vana vacheche musauye padhuze asi vana vakuru hauyai pamberi handietoni are you ready are you ready kavari ugogo tamirira vakagara kumateresi uyai kuno asi mayazoona Team Nash enda munospraya vanhu vakagara pamateresi apapo vasimuke ava vana ngavangospraya vamhanya ikoko spraya ikoko vauya vega spraya ikoko dire ikoko thank you ngavabve kumateresi vanhu vese kana kuine mwana mucheche musaspraya please asi vasina vana vacheche ngavauya avo vauya vega vari kuziva kuti vari kuyozosviba are you ready get your cameras out everybody get ready to record okay Iconic Queens, Rova Kanamba, Ako. And the Panonaka Queens, and the Panonaka. Let's have each of them. Team Nash, get ready. Get ready. When I say Nash, you say TV. Nash! 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 Alright, Nash Team Nash Paints. Musazo spray vana kumeso, please. And please, vana. So every time you hear that song play, every time that song plays, you know it's time for spray painting, okay? So right now, make some noise for Kyla Black. She's gonna come on stage and she's gonna perform. Make some noise for Kyla Black. We're gonna vibe to Kyla Black. 5 more minutes, all right? So DJ Iconic Prince is gonna give us some vibes right now. Pana anapainted. Awasisawa nembwa vakachena. Ndionere sisawa please. Team Nash TV. Ndionere sisawa. Thank you very much. Thank you. No one is safe. It's not safe at all here. Kana paina akachena Nash paints. ZFM machine inozotinetsa. Pana akachena here. Kana paina akachena mumone zveso. Aripi Team Nash. Uyamone muage one red muage. Mumbundira ipapo. No one is supposed to be clean. Iconic friends, Chiwaita, $1 for paint and then $2 for the bottles. Let's have some fun right now. Cause sound my inside people. Diana Bata sound. Alright, remember, please go and get yourself a bottle of water and a free baobab drink courtesy of Nash TV. It's a Nash TV Color Fest. ZFM Stereo is broadcasting live from the Nash TV Color Fest. Wanje kuno. Tisa bata. So. Parents, please write down your phone number on your kid's wristband. Parents, please write down your phone number on your kid's wristband so that in any case when they go missing, we know where to find you. So please, Rabereki. Tokumirom Sarasevana. Ane, what do I say? When I jai Papa.